Hey, do you want to know that when somebody downloads your app from Play Store, do you earn money? Is this question that you are having in your mind? Hi everyone, this is Pooja Gavan from Raunix. We make websites and apps, and today I will help you to understand, do you get any money when somebody download your app from Play Store and much more. So if you want to start your online business, this is the best channel for you. I'll see you ahead. And yeah, let's get started. So when somebody download your app from Play Store, let's say you have 1 million downloads, do you earn money by that? Answer is no. You do not earn money by Play Store downloads. A lot of people ask us this question, okay, if I market my app and if I get more downloads, will Play Store pay me something? No, they will not pay you anything. Play Store is just a platform to have your application. That's it. It is just a platform to download your app. You can have your application still without uploading on Play Store. So Play Store doesn't pay for any downloads. So how Play Store pays? So Play Store pays only by one option. That is, if you make your app paid app. Let's say you make your app paid. There are two types of app. One is free app, one is paid app. So this is one of the free apps. That's how it looks. And this is paid app. If you want to install it, you will need to pay. Just like you want to watch a movie, you will pay for it. So that's how paid app works. And that is how Play Store pays you. So how all these games that are free earns? So they earn by advertisement. They show ads in their application. That is by Google, AdSense and much more. And they earn by that. If you want to earn by that, you can advertise your application. You can enter advertisement in your application. But remember, advertisement money is very slow and it doesn't come very fast. And it takes a lot of time, a lot of users and a lot of other things. So yeah, that is all about do you earn money by Play Store downloads or not. I hope this video helped you to understand more about Play Store and your online business, and it encouraged you to understand online business and do it. So if you want to make your online food delivery app, taxi app, e-commerce app, Amazon clone, TikTok Lite app and much more, you can start your online business now very easily. Under 7 days, you can get your complete app and start your online business. So what are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Raunix, making world online.